VTubers. You've seen them most likely and maybe even wondered how to become one, which is probably why you clicked this video in the first place. Before we begin, let's clarify what is a VTuber and what is the right type for you. VTubing, the act of creating content with a VTuber model, is a tool. There are many forms of VTuber model, but there are three most common types that are PNG, Live 2D, and 3D. Unless a fourth dimension that is perceptible starts happening, this should be all that exists. PNGs are the simplest to start with, but can also become really complex. The basics of it are that you have an image on the screen that will bounce around when you talk. Usually this type is most widespread because of the many advantages it offers. It's less costly on your computer resources and also generally less expensive. Quality varies by the art skills of the individual who made the image. The next type I'll cover is 3D model, which I do on a daily basis, shameless plug. My commissions are open, links in the description. These models are usually the most demanding, but can range from a really wide variety of design as long as they are doable in 3D. They offer some advantages and have some down points to them as well. Since they are 3D models with rigs, sometimes you can put them inside of games that have proper support for it. Examples being Valheim, which supports VRM formats, and Beat Saber if you go the route of figuring out avatar files. The down points now, apart from the performance issues stated before, is that a lot of people are able to do them for free by using VRM Studios and other free softwares without much of a lengthy amount of customization and knowledge. They can often lead to become very similar looking. I'm looking at you, default hoodie guy. The last type of model is live 2D models, similar to PNG but rigged and animated in an attempt to fake 3D movements. These are often seen as out of reach for some people as they have become the industry standard for quite some time in the corporate sphere of VTubing. Although anyone could go in free and rig themselves a model, they aren't as easy to start with and need a substantial amount of knowledge before you get into it. They function by layering parts of the body and bending the image to achieve a seamless result. I hope you found something useful to you and maybe have even helped you figure out what you want to become for yourself. If I did, comment down in the comments what you are going for and what kind of VTuber you plan to be. I always enjoy seeing more designs and how creative some people can be. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like on it and share it with your friends who might be also looking to become VTubers too. Until then, happy creations to you.